The world of technology never stops surprising us. It's a relentless cycle of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Just when we think we've seen it all, and that the peak of technological advancement has been reached, something like DeepSeek Chimera arrives, seemingly out of nowhere. And it doesn't just nudge the rules, it completely rewrites the rules of artificial intelligence. It's a paradigm shift. Imagine an AI that's as powerful as the best systems currently available, but twice as fast, processing information at an unprecedented rate. All of this without the massive costs or years of painstaking retraining that these systems usually require. For years, the prevailing approach to AI development was all about building bigger and bigger models, spending billions of dollars, and engaging in a relentless race for more raw processing power. But Chimera changes the game entirely, offering a new path forward. By being smarter in its design, not just larger in its scale. It's like a master chef, a culinary artist, carefully combining the finest ingredients and techniques from different recipes to create something truly extraordinary and innovative. DeepSeek Chimera is not just an incremental improvement. It's a revolution in AI development. It's faster, demonstrably smarter, and significantly more efficient in its resource utilization. It's unlike anything we've seen before, truly a next-generation AI. Experts in the field are stunned by its capabilities, developers are excited about its potential, and researchers are all asking the same question: how did they achieve this breakthrough? The answer lies in a fundamentally new philosophy, a different way of approaching AI. It's about collaboration and integration, rather than cutthroat competition, focusing on efficient assembly of existing components, rather than endless and costly construction from scratch. In this video, we're going to uncover the secrets of how DeepSeek Chimera was built, what are the unique features and characteristics that set it apart, and most importantly, why this breakthrough matters to each and every one of us. So get ready, because the future of artificial intelligence has just arrived, changing the landscape as we know it. And it's nothing like the predictions and expectations that have been circulating for years. Let's dive in and explore this revolutionary technology. So, what exactly is DeepSeek Chimera? What makes it so special? And why is everyone talking about it? In mythology, a chimera is a creature made from different animals, a hybrid beast of legend. Here, the name is quite fitting. It's an AI built from the best parts of 3 distinct DeepSeek models, carefully selected and combined, specifically R1, R10528, and V30324. Each model brings something unique to the table. Instead of going the traditional route of training a completely new model from scratch, which can be time-consuming and resource-intensive, the creators took a different approach. They ingeniously fused the strengths of each existing model. They extracted the deep reasoning capabilities from R1, the blazing speed from V30324, and the unique talents from R10528, creating a synergistic blend of abilities. Think of it as forming a superband, bringing together the best musicians from different groups to create something truly extraordinary. R1 was the deep thinker, excelling at complex reasoning and problem-solving, but it was a bit on the slower side. V30324 was the sprinter, incredibly fast and efficient, capable of processing information at lightning speed, but perhaps not as profound in its analysis. Chimera combines both deep intelligence and lightning speed, offering the best of both worlds. Traditionally, achieving this level of performance would require building a completely new model from the ground up, involving months, if not years, of intensive training. But Chimera's creators asked a crucial question: why not merge the best parts of what we already have instead? The result isn't just an ensemble of different models working together. It's a single unified model, seamlessly inheriting the strengths of its components without being burdened by their individual weaknesses. The AI community is understandably shocked and impressed by this innovative approach. Chimera proves that smarter combinations and innovative architectural choices, not just brute force scaling with bigger models, are the key to unlocking the future of AI. This is a new chapter in AI evolution, a testament to the power of ingenuity and creative problem-solving. Let's delve deeper and see how they pulled it off, exploring the technical details behind this groundbreaking achievement. In the complex world of artificial intelligence, how do you effectively merge different AI models, each with its own strengths and specializations, into a single, cohesive brain? How can we combine their unique capabilities to create something truly extraordinary? Enter the assembly of experts. This innovative approach is revolutionizing the way we build AI. Imagine AI models as towering skyscrapers, each reaching for the sky with its own distinct architecture. Each skyscraper has expert floors dedicated to different skills and areas of expertise. The assembly of experts is like a master architect, a visionary planner overseeing the entire project. It carefully selects and extracts the best floors from each building, identifying the most valuable components. The goal is to create a new, superior tower, a structure that surpasses the capabilities of its individual components. Instead of building from scratch, which can be time-consuming and resource-intensive, this method efficiently identifies and seamlessly integrates the most valuable expert layers, the peak performances, from existing models. It's not a simple copy-paste, a crude duplication of existing elements. It's a precise, sophisticated mathematical operation, a carefully orchestrated process. By carefully balancing the weights and contributions of these layers, Chimera inherits the right abilities, the most desirable traits, from each parent model. For example, it dials up reasoning capabilities from R1 and processing speed from V30324. This process unlocks emergent behaviors, unexpected and powerful capabilities, advanced skills that appear seemingly out of nowhere, only when the right parts are combined in the perfect configuration. The assembly of experts is a breakthrough, a paradigm shift in AI development, letting us build next-gen AI with elegance, efficiency, and unparalleled precision. It's a new way to create powerful models, a refined and sophisticated approach, without brute force, without relying on massive computational power. That's the magic, the underlying innovation behind Chimera. Here's what's truly mind-blowing. DeepSeek Chimera needed zero retraining, no months of fine-tuning, no massive new datasets, just a smart reassembly of existing knowledge. Normally, improving AI means expensive, energy-hungry retraining. Chimera skips all that, merging the best parts of its predecessors into a new, powerful model. This shift democratizes AI. Now, small teams can create world-class models by combining open-source ones. It's not just a technical leap, it's an economic and cultural one. The approach also slashes the environmental cost, since no extra training means less energy use. Chimera proves progress doesn't have to harm the planet. It's smart, fast, efficient, and responsible. The future of AI is now open to everyone, not just tech giants. That's a revolution. To see Chimera's impact, let's compare it to its family. DeepSeek R1 was a master of reasoning, great for complex problems, but slow. V30324 was lightning-fast, perfect for quick responses, but less skilled at deep analysis. Chimera, thanks to the assembly of experts, combines both the reasoning of R1 and the speed of V30324. It's twice as fast as R1, but just as smart. No more trade-offs between intelligence and speed. Chimera also produces cleaner, more concise answers, using fewer tokens, which means lower costs and faster results. For developers, that's a huge win: smarter, faster, and more efficient AI. Chimera stands on the shoulders of its predecessors, reaching new heights. It's not just an upgrade, it's a new generation. The classic dilemma of speed versus smarts, solved. That's why everyone's paying attention. Chimera is the all-star child of AI. DeepSeek Chimera delivers the ultimate trifecta: intelligence, speed, and savings. It handles complex queries with the expert reasoning of R1, but responds at double the speed. For businesses, this means better user experiences and real-time solutions. Imagine a chatbot that's both thoughtful and lightning fast, or a research assistant that summarizes dense papers in seconds. The performance boost alone is a game changer, but Chimera's efficiency also slashes costs. No retraining means lower development expenses, and faster, shorter answers mean cheaper operations. This makes advanced AI accessible to startups, nonprofits, and schools, not just big corporations. Plus, its energy efficiency supports a more sustainable AI ecosystem. Chimera isn't just powerful, it's practical and accessible. The new paradigm value comes from balance, not just raw power. Smarts, speed, and savings. Chimera brings it all together. That's the future of AI, and it's here now. Let's peek under the hood at Chimera's engine, routed expert tensors. AI models are built from layers of neural networks, each defined by mathematical objects called tensors. Some tensors are generalists, others are experts in tasks like reasoning or language. Chimera's method doesn't just mash models together, it uses tensor routing to merge only the most valuable expert tensors. This targeted approach keeps the model coherent and avoids overfitting, since no new data is introduced. The process blends specific weights from each parent, activating advanced abilities in the new model. Research shows these skills are encoded in precise tensor structures. By finding the right blend, Chimera unlocks new capabilities. This proves knowledge in AI is modular and transferable. We're just beginning to understand how to combine these modules for even greater power. That's the technical genius behind Chimera. DeepSeek. Chimera isn't just a technical feat, it's a revolution for AI access. For years, only tech giants could build powerful models, thanks to massive resources. Chimera's assembly of experts tears down those barriers. Now, small labs and even individuals can create high-performance AI by combining open-source models. Imagine a non-profit merging models for disaster relief, or a teacher building custom tools for students. This approach accelerates innovation. Teams can focus on creative combinations, not just building from scratch. The result? A more resilient, dynamic AI ecosystem. Instead of relying on a few massive models, we get a robust network of specialized, adaptable tools. Chimera is proof. The future of AI is open, modular, and accessible. It's not just about how we build AI, but who gets to build it, and for what purpose. The power of AI is moving into the hands of the many. That's a future worth building. With Chimera's arrival, new questions emerge. Can this assembly method work beyond language models, like in vision or medicine? Will all model mergers be stable, or could some combinations create unpredictable results? Ensuring safety and reliability will be crucial as this technique spreads. There are also legal and ethical questions. Who owns a model built from open-source parts? The rules of AI creation and ownership are changing fast. Despite these challenges, one thing is clear. Chimera has changed the future of AI. We're moving from building AI to composing it, unlocking new possibilities for everyone. The journey is just beginning, and the destination looks brighter than ever. The age of the Chimera is here. What will you build with it?